Kadama TV tulina Kadama wano atusukumidde voice note nga voice note eno eri wakati we ne boss we mama yabadde amujoze nga addidde empale ze ez'omunda n'azimuwa azooze ng'empale ezo zaabadde nga ziraga nti omukyala ono yabadde nga yakava mu nsonga za kikyala. So Kadama yalabye ekintu kino nga kya bujoozi nnyo n'agamba tajja kikola era ojja kuwulira ebigambo nga ba-exchanging ebigambo awo ne mama Kadama ng'amulaga nti nze siri wano, siri slave wo, siri muddu wo okubeera nga onjozesa empale zo ez'omunda nga ova mu nsonga z'ekikyala. Kadama ono yeeyongerayo okulaga nti oba yabuuza madamu n'amugamba nze singa empale ezo zibadde zange nga ziriko ebyo ebintu gw'osobola okuzooza oba nsobola okuzikuwa gwe n'ozooza. Kati Omuwarabu bw'aba agambye nti ye tasobola then yajjawa obuyinza obugamba nti gw'osobola. Tetugambye tukolerera ssente oba tugamba nti twagala ssente naye ate waliwo ssente weekoma. Waliwo ekintu omuntu ky'olaba nti ekyo ekintu ekisaanidde oba ekintu ekyo kisaanidde. Naye nga Kadama yeerwanyeeko yeebeereddemu n'agamba nti tagenda kukwata mpale ez'okuzooza. Kino yagambye ayagala madamu abeere ng'akitwala ng'ekyokuyiga obutamala gajooga bakadama era yagamba si muddu we yajja okukola ssente naye ate si muddu we nti osobola okubeera ng'omukozesa ebintu ng'ebyo by'ateesiimidde. Tugenda kuwuliriza emboozi ya Kadama ono nga bwe yabadde ne exchange of words wakati wa mama ne Kadama naye ng'ensonga yavudde kwoza buwale bwa munda ng'omukyala ava mu nsonga ez'ekikyala Kadama kye yagaanye. Katuwulirize madamu ono. Halo Nyabuli Kadama TV.
Kadama TV kyebaliko njagadde nkuweereze katambi ako kawulirizeeko. Mukama wange yabadde anfuukidde ekizibu nga ndeetedde empale nga zonna zijjudde omusaayi n'azimpa n'aŋŋamba nzooze ne mutabukira kasharingeko bakadama bannange nabo bawulirize. Wash my knicker when it's full of blood? Will you wash my knicker when it's full of blood? Will you wash my knicker when it's full of blood? I'm not your slave, okay? I'm not your slave. Do you think I'm going to just keep quiet? Do you think I would do that? Do you think I would do that? I'm not your slave, okay? I'm not your slave. If I give you my liquor, will you wash it? Just look at this liquor, it's full of blood. Ablaze, will you wash my liquor when it's full of blood? Will you hold me? Will you? My husband found all clothes outside. Okay, outside. Will you wash mine? I'm not your slave, please. I have home. I'm not from the bush. Not a problem for that. Okay? Always, before you say I should go, even today, take me. I'm ready to go. Okay? You can complete your cover. I have to go. Okay, go. Go, bye-bye. Do you think I just came here to stay here just for you to do anything you feel like? I'm not a slave, my dear. That's your opinion. I have to talk. Complete your clothes. Even that's what you did to me last time to take me there. To go and wash blood in the toilets. Even poo-poo. Do you think I don't have heart? If you want doing anything for me, I come to my room and clean my bathroom and clean everything. But I'm not one time I told you I told you to clean why I did it. Rosette, you know, when you are going somewhere, I'm not a handbag that you should just carry you go with me. You know, okay? No. This is what you have been doing. Not today, not tomorrow. You have been doing it before. I was the very person who told you before. Okay? Try. It's not your first time to give me that. Last time I kept quiet, but today I say no, I will not keep quiet. Why should I have to keep quiet? Giving me your knickers with black that I watch it with the poo-poo, me Rosette, that's what I would not have found. I will not keep quiet. Why should I keep quiet? Why should I have to keep quiet? Why should I have to keep quiet? I will not keep quiet on that. Okay? You go and get someone who will come and work for you. Get someone who will just use as a handbag. But I'm not ready to be as a handbag. Why should I become a handbag? I'm not a handbag, please. Each and everywhere you go, you just want me to go with you. Why should I have to do that? Why should I have to do that? I'm not a handbag. I'm not a handbag, please. That's when you are going out, I don't go with you, I don't do what? Every time, if you do a mistake, you shout me. Because I want my wife. You are kept quiet, you started shouting there. So I also have to shout because you like shouting. I have also to shout. To then keep quiet. Okay? I will go. I will go. I will go. Let me pick my stuff and go. No, you pick everything. Why? Me, I'm your stuff. Don't joke. I will go. I will go. Go out. I will go. I have no problem with that. Why should I have to keep quiet? Each and every day, Rosette. Why should I have to do that? I will take. I will take. Each and every day, Rosette. Why? Why? I told you before, I'm not here to wash your knickers. I'm not here to wash your knickers. My mom didn't. And that is what I refused before, that I will never wash your knickers. I told you before. Okay. Why should you give me your knickers for me to wash? You didn't know. You complain that I don't go with you. I'm not a knicker. I have. Take your time and start and go. And every time, Rosette, you don't go with me. I'm not a knicker, by the way. Talk to people. I can you wash my knicker when it's full of blood? Will you? Yeah, this is your home. I also have my home. I have also my home. You think I have no home? You think I have no home? Each and every day you just come and shout at me. You think I have no home? You think I have no home? have time. Quickly. Now أقول انزلوا مالكم شغل خلاص واضح ما تقدر خلاص. I'm going, don't worry. I'm going. You think I'm going to remain here? First of all, I've been tired of you since. This is a moment I've been waiting. And good enough, it has come. I'll go. Giving me knickers to wash. Can you imagine? Eh? And you don't want me to talk. How come? Knickers with full of blood. Instead of calling me and you talk to me in a good way, you just shout. You don't even know how to talk to people. I kept quiet at first. You begin shouting. You think I don't know how to shout? I can also shout. Even that's what you did to me last time in Riyadh. To begin shouting at me. Eh? Each and every day, shouting. Can't you call someone in a good way and you talk to someone? Eh? If you do not shout, they will not know that someone is working for you. Okay? You want everybody respects you? I'm respecting you before. But why are you doing something like that? Why you throw us clothes? Why? Do you know how to separate clothes? Why? I told you roses and black and me I clean it. But you didn't know how to separate what they call clothes. You see? This is a clothes. You tell your mom if she doesn't know what they call clothes. This is a clothes, this is a knicker. Okay? I throw your daughter knickers with the blood. You go and check. Is that clothes? This is a clothes. This is a knicker. Is there any clothes you get into that's big? I'm talking Arabic. هذه ملابس داخلية وهذه ملابس خارجية. ملابس داخلية. You can't understand because I'm talking English. You didn't want to understand. And take